train to Speonk is expected to arrive on track 1, platform A, in approximately 3 minutes.
Okay, thank you for that announcement. Good morning, Norm. How are you? We're here on a Saturday morning at the Mastic-Shirley station, which I'm on my way to Home Depot, but this is 5 minutes away from Home Depot. So I thought I would catch this eastbound early morning train, see how crowded it is for the remainder of the 4th of July holiday. Thank you for inviting your followers. I appreciate that. So this is a train that runs from Babylon to Speonk on Saturdays and Sundays, making all the local stops, 1 hour trip. And then on Saturday and Sunday it's followed by train 8704, the New York City to Montauk Express. Thank you for joining, everybody. So I think what we'll do is we'll watch this train come in, which makes a stop here. We'll see how many people get off, and then we'll wait the extra 10 minutes for the express train to whiz through. Andrea, good morning to you. Good to see you on this Saturday morning. I'm at Mastic-Shirley waiting for train 8730 from Babylon, followed by the Jamaica to Montauk 8704, which does not stop here at Mastic-Shirley. It runs to Patchogue and then express to Speonk. I think it also makes a stop at Sayville for the Fire Island ferries there. This train should be here in a few minutes. They say it's on time. This is looking east out toward Montauk here at Mastic-Shirley. Again, for you folks who are not familiar with the area, we are in what we call single-track diesel territory of the Long Island Railroad operation here out in eastern Suffolk County. So the trains are scheduled such that there are no conflicts between eastbound trains and westbound trains, with some exceptions. They do have some scheduled meets. As an example, right here at Mastic-Shirley, or just east of Mastic-Shirley, is what is known as the JJD interlocking with a bypass siding. So they can have trains scheduled where one will go onto the bypass siding while the other one passes through. And then, of course, occasionally you have unscheduled meets if one train is running much later than expected, things of that nature. But other than that, it's a single track diesel territory. The single track starts just east of Sayville. West of Sayville, it's double track. And here comes our train. I see the headlights. Train is coming up the grade from Smith Road, to the west of us. This is the William Floyd Parkway crossing here at Shirley. Huge gates go down here now because this is a 6-lane crossing. And why we don't have a bridge, folks, well, that's a story for another day. We had our chance a generation ago, or 2 generations ago, and the NIMBYs did not want a bridge here. Let's see, well, they're probably...
Now arriving on track platform A is 9:11 a.m. Speonk.
Okay, 411. DM30AC 411. 4-car set. 4-car set today. Normal Saturday morning operation. Cab car 5011 in trail. Again, this is a 1-hour trip from Babylon to Speonk. So the next stop after Mastic-Shirley will be Speonk, 15 minutes to the east of us. And a few people getting off this morning on this Saturday morning. Okay, very good. Thank you for joining with that. Let me shut down temporarily here.